Hey there, viewers. So, got a video. This is for you guys who have a 2025 Civic Hybrid with like the Google-based infotainment system. So, we get a lot of these customers that complain about like the over-the-air updates, and then the message up here says see dealer because you got an over-the-air update error or whatever. So basically, you're not giving it a constant internet connection. And then it gives you that error, and then it'll just stop downloading. So I already reset it, but I'm going to show you how you guys can do it at home if you have this issue. You hold these three buttons: the home button, the volume button, and then this back button, all at the same time.
They've run that program and they've made all these precision measurements of the Higgs.
And then it goes into diagnostics. Then you go to detail information and you scroll down, and then go to system updates, and then you got to click on the OTA clear. That just resets everything, and then you can go back and make sure you get a constant internet connection, so then it reconnects it, and then you can start downloading the software again. It's a big file. It's like 3 gigs. It'll stop it, but you know, when you shut the car off and then walk away, this thing will go on pause, but it's going to take a really long time. It's a pretty big file. And also, just make sure your car is on or having a constant power supply. Don't just leave your car on and, you know, kill your battery, but just leave it on, you know, running. You know, it'll be in EV mode, but if the battery gets low, then it'll start running the engine. But yeah, you can do it while you're driving, or, you know, as long as you have Wi-Fi or you have, like, you know, your phone data plan, that will also download through that too. Hope this helps you in solving your, you know, issue with trying to download the over-the-air updates when you get that see dealer message. So that's what it's in for. I'm just gonna let this thing try to finish downloading. It's at 10% now, so it does take a while, and that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you. Like and subscribe, and then yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.